Welcome back, everybody. So here we have the definition of chi-square goodness of fit test, which is used to test whether a frequency distribution fits an expected distribution or not. To do the computation, we need to define observed frequency and expected frequency. The observed frequency O of a category is the frequency for the category observed in the sample data. The expected frequency E of a category is calculated frequency for that category. What I'm going to do, we're going to multiply N by P. What is N? N is basically the sample size, and P is the frequency, relative frequency, or just the probability that you have. For example, a tax preparation company randomly select 300 adults and ask them how they prepared their taxes. The results are shown on the right-hand side. Question says, find the observed frequency and the expected frequency. And it says using the distribution on the preceding page, which I just pasted here for you. So the distribution says, hey, the accountant counts for 24% of tax preparation, by hand 20%, computer softwares 35%, friends and family 6%, and the preparation services 15%. But we want to calculate the observed and expected frequencies. Let's go to the next page. Here, what do we have? We have tax preparation methods, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 categories. The percentage of people is given to us. This is usually about the claim, 24%, 20%, 35%, 6%, 15%. Again, these are given in the question. We didn't do any calculation here. The observed frequency is coming from the survey, and the expected frequency is the multiplication of 300 people by each percentage given to us. That's the important part. So you have 300 times 24%, 72 expected frequency. These are the observed frequency. These are the data that we collected, and these are the expected frequency coming from the data that we're expected to have. So you do the multiplication for each one of them, and then you calculate the expected frequency for each. As you can see, the observed frequency is 61 coming from the sample, and 72 is expected frequency from what was proposed.